How's that one? Glass door.
It's got a bunkhouse too. And an east-west bed. We got an east-west bed, so one of us would have to crawl over.
Oh.
And it's got a bunk. But the bunks have curtains, so they're,
I like these U-shaped dinettes though.
Yeah, I like that. I like the fact that it's on the slide too. It gives you a little more room.
So yes,
except for the step up.
Step up. Big fridge.
Yeah, it's pretty good size. Yeah, good enough.
Deep bunkhouse.
Big freezer.
Under storage. Bathroom's just like the other hideout model we just looked at.
Says it's wired for solar.
Got some storage under the sink. This is a slide out here. This is a little concerning. There's a little warping here on the... maybe it's just the way it's angled right now. Yeah, this would be the biggest drawback. I'm not a fan of that bed.
No, me neither.
Yeah, but this is very compact and very affordable. This way. Oh, no, this way.